money separate, hit it to it, him and lay like I was born a mummy. Yeah, I'm a born winner. Yeah, I'm a born sinner. Yeah.
Look what I'm cruising with. Well, not really cruising, but I'm on the road. What's good with y'all, man? We're back here with another video, and today, as you guys can see, I'm currently driving on the highway. I'm going to a car meet with the boys. There's a few car meets today. We're going with James, Jack, and a few of James's homies. Anyway, you guys, I'm like 2 bong rips in to my day. I'm feeling great, and I'm just ready to go enjoy my fucking day, man. Hope y'all are doing good. Hope y'all are living good. Hope you guys are praying every day, thanking the Lord for another day. That's my type of CS, bro. The black on black. Yeah, dang. That shit is different, bro.
I be scope keeping, hang with Grim Reapers. I got air seats. That bitch ain't mine, she is too nice. I like my meaner. Every nigga with me wanna kill. Look at that demeanor. He been fighting chicken for a minute. He just like Peter. She gon' ride this dick and turn around with no hands needed. Ooh, look at my necklace. Me and her be sexting. That bitch told me she can't sell no dick. She hit the exit. I like me a big old booty. Really, that my preference. I just hit it with my Cubans on. She grabbed my necklace. I feel like I'm at Japan. Yeah. They know I'm rich like Birdman. Look at my son like Lil Wayne. I'm rich like an athlete. I rob you if you tax me. AMG my truck and bro got button in the backseat. I dare you try and play with this. I hit the blunt, they take it. She gon' do it, make me happy. Bet she see me, she gon' lick the tip. I might get the thorn from half court. I bet you get hit. I'm looking at them niggas like they broke, but they say they rich. I know them niggas nervous, they gon' see me, bet they make a wish. Got a dub in my pocket.
And then we got my boy Diverged M2, and yeah, it's a perfect representation because this is full stock, this is full modded, everything's done to it possibly that you can have done to it, and yeah, it's just really cool. Just met him though for the first time, and of course we got all the G80s, bro. Isle Man Green G80, G80 CS, another Island Man, a beautiful wrapped F80. Got my beautiful M2. My seats, my cameras are still in the car. Thank God, buddy. Thank God. Where's his car at? But yeah, pretty cool. Y'all just wait, I'm at my M2 looking like his. Very similar, bro. This interior is crazy looking, it's beautiful, bro. Amazing. But yeah, man. I think we're gonna go dip, go to the next meet, and we're just gonna see what's going on, bro. Now we're about to dip though. I'm gonna show you guys some more of the cars while we just slide to the back, and then you guys will see, bro. You guys will see. But yeah, it's straight vibes. Homie got the Sparko steering wheel. Y'all just wait. I'm gonna tap in with the shop and everything. We're gonna get my M2 looking right and everything. I'm gonna put some money into this guy, and we're gonna be straight vibing. But yeah, we're gonna head out right now. Crazy. We got all the G80s out, bro. Insane, bro. I'll definitely take that black G80 CS right there. I'm not gonna lie. That CS got it. Then of course you guys saw the S2K and shit. Oh my God. And then I'm gonna show you guys some more cars over this way. I'm gonna tap back in. What's up? What do you mean? Oh, no. I'm going to the back. You're chilling. Yeah. I appreciate it though. Now I'm pulling up to James and them. Bro's getting an oil change, bro. That's crazy. Bro's getting the oil change. Hey, nice car, bro. Fuck with the blue. Bro, got all the F80s. Got the G80. Damn. Whole bunch of nice cars, bro. About to pull up to James and them. I don't know, bro. It's just good vibes out here. I'm just driving through the meet. Sometimes it's easier to do that shit, bro. Damn, that shit is dropped, bro. Crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to really make it there. Bro, there's so many cars here. It's actually insane, you guys. You guys have no idea. No idea. Like, you look over here, and boom, you guys just see all that shit. Crazy. That colors, and that is really purple though, you're right.
Yeah, it's a lot to take in. But it's purple, I like it.
Yeah, bro. What about the CS? You like the CS?
Yeah. I saw there was like this race CS at the BMW of Bridgewater?
Oh yeah, I saw it. It's like frozen. Yeah. I think it was actually stealth PPF.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice option though. You can do that. So,
Yeah.
make any car frozen.
I just turned all these lights on because I just got all these lights for this garage because it makes it a whole lot brighter. It was definitely needed in here, I'm not gonna lie. But pretty much just wanna give you guys a little update. I know that this just left off of the car meet and everything. I did happen to drop the M2 off earlier this morning because it's the next day. I brought the M2 in. It's gonna get new paint, new headlight, and yeah, we're gonna be chilling. And I also just copped a whole bunch of new parts for the car. So in the next few videos, definitely expect to see a nice makeover on the M2. I'm so excited. Finally gonna be bringing the car to what it should be and where it should be and everything like that. I can't lie to you, I'm very stoked to just get that car to where it needs to be, and then I'm gonna be able to tune it and everything like that. So, but anyway, what I'm gonna do right now, since this video is shorter and I don't have the M2 for you, I would take the M4 out for you guys, but that car literally only has 9,600 miles, so the miles are gonna continue to stay low on that shit. I don't care, I have the M2. So I'm gonna take the Z3 out and we're just gonna go for a nice little drive. I'm gonna post it up. We're gonna go see what we can go get into. It's not gonna be anything crazy this is for the rest of the video. If you guys want to click off, you can, but at least hit me with the nice little like button and hit me with the nice little sub button, man. Come on. But yeah, anyway, with that being said, I'm gonna pull the car out and we're gonna go for a nice little drive. Nice little calm whip, It's got the 5-speed, got the new Coco floor mats in here. And yeah, we're just vibing. I do have to pull it out a certain way because I tried to give the passengers some more room today. Yes, sir. I'm gonna be able to get some cool rollers of the car on the back road and shit because I have the 360 pole, so I'm gonna be able to like really go crazy. Oh my days, I'm flying. I'm probably tweaking for that. Yeah, man, just a nice little cruise. I'm gonna do this nice little loop that I usually do. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy all of it and whatnot because it's definitely a fun loop for me to do. But not pretty much, it's just good vibes on this nice, it's a Friday today. I'm excited to get the M2 back. It's just gonna take a little bit longer than I anticipated and expected, which is no problem. It's not a big deal. I'll live, everyone will live. It's not anything to get disappointed about. Oh my God, that squirrel, dude. He almost just fucking lost his life. You just gotta blame the kid with the pickup truck, bro, because at the end of the day, if he just knew how to drive, none of that would have happened at all. None of it. Like, actually none of it. There's just nothing like a manual, man. That shit is so much fun. Such a fun thing to drive. I'm gonna just get some good driving clips for you guys. Might throw up a nice little montage. I'm gonna get some good little rollers of the car right here though, because it just looks really fucking sick.
She still pull a drum out licky. I got twisted down the road and every state they moving sick. I boot up when I wake up, I don't even have no thoughts no more.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna stop right up here. Hope you guys enjoyed that nice little B-roll or whatever. That shit was kind of hard to record, I'm not gonna lie. I'll try to definitely get better at it. I'm just gonna go ahead and hop out of the car right here. Everyone will be okay. I'll put my flashers on and yeah, we're just gonna check out the car. Yeah, it's just like this little lake that's near my house. If you want to call it a lake, it's kind of like a pond. It's really not that big. And then yeah, we just got the Z3. It's really fun. Just some nice little back road drives in the Z3 on this beautiful summer day, man. It's not really summer yet. It's still May, but it feels like summer. It looks like summer. I feel like I could go take a swim and be okay. I think there's just a turtle or some shit that just popped up. I really want to get my fishing permit and be able to go fishing. So if you guys want to see some fishing content, let me know and I definitely will. But nah, if you guys want to see some fishing content, I can definitely do some fishing content. I really just want to like base this channel on everything that I'm doing because I've started to realize I'm just kind of want to start daily vlogging because it kind of just makes more sense for me to daily vlog, only because, you know, I do some cool shit on my day-to-day basis, and I feel like that's something that you guys might want to see. So if you guys want to see some shit like that, let me know and I can make it happen. And yeah, I definitely think like some vlogs, you know, like some daily vlogs might be cool. If you guys want to see that, let me know and I'll definitely grind to make that happen, because I don't mind recording, but I just don't want to record and upload something that no one's gonna watch, bro. You know what I mean? Hope that makes sense to you guys. Hopefully. Yeah, buddy. Why are you bringing that big ass dumbass truck on this fucking road, bro? Oh my god, all these people, bro. This big ass truck. That shit off this road. Yo, if you live near me and you know where I'm at, I'm gonna just show you where I'm at. You guys need to stop driving your big ass Escalades and your big ass dumbass mom cars, right? And stop driving them on this skinny road. Like, come on, man. You're driving like the equivalent to a Hummer H2 on the road, and you get mad at me because I'm driving on it too. Like, make it make sense. Third gear was definitely the right gear for that entire road, I'm not gonna lie. I know you guys want to see like more clips of the cars driving, but I just need to hang out with my girlfriend more. She's taking summer classes at her college, so I just need those to be done, and then I'm gonna be able to finally get some really good content and everything. So I'm excited to do that for you guys, and I'm excited to get some good content like that. I'm just waiting on everybody's schedule to become something that we can all like play around with and play with. So yeah, man. Anyway, enjoying these back roads. Oh my god, these roads be Mac though. I wasn't really expecting that bad of a bump, but that shit was kind of bad. Got kids doing back road runs and shit. I didn't even know cars were that active in this area like that, to be honest. I'm talking a fucking lot, bro. You're a rascal. Bro, this car loses traction on a fucking bump bad. Why are you running on this fucking skinny ass road, bud? Not gonna lie, that is the one thing about where I live, is the roads are so shot up and abused. Woo! I'm getting better with the manual, you guys. Just bear with me. Let me get through this turn. We're keeping it high in power. I feel like I'm Misha Sheridan. Fucking A, dude. That shit was moving when I went into third for some reason. Show you guys the road, but if I showed you guys the road, I'd definitely get in trouble because I'm going way too fast on this road. Let me know if you guys have a manual car in the comments, and if you guys do, what do you guys have? I know some of you guys follow me from all of my content with the not with the Z3, with the M2, but yeah, let me know if you guys like the Z3 content. I really like it. I think it's fun. This car is so much fun, and it's cool. It's a cool little car. Okay, getting back from the drive, I'm not gonna lie, here's something squeaking, but I think we're gonna be okay. I'm probably gonna wash it in a little bit because I'm going out tonight, but if I clean, I'll make sure to get some content for you guys, but that'll probably just be in the next video. to be honest with you, because I really do want to start vlogging. So if you guys want to watch it, just let me know. I've just been trying to figure out which camera I want to use. I like this one because I've been figuring out all the settings and everything, and I think I can make it look good. But I don't know, man. Sometimes this quality on these 360s do be kind of looking a little bit cheeks, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So we're just gonna see what we can make happen. I'm gonna hop out the car and end the video though right now. That's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to hit the like button, the sub button. Let me know what you guys want to see down below, and I'll definitely make sure to catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for all the recent support. We keep growing, and that's what we're gonna keep doing. Let me know again if you guys want to see daily vlogs or more of a daily schedule other than me just posting like once a week. But yeah, that's gonna do it for me. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.